Why YouTube is best way to earn money. YouTube is becoming one of the most popular ways to make money. It's an easy way for anyone to start earning an income from the comfort of their own home. With just a few clicks, anyone can become a content creator and start monetizing their videos. YouTube allows content creators to share their passions and talents with the world, and make money while doing it. The platform makes it easy to track your progress, and its wide reach gives you access to a massive global audience, of the most popular ways to make money online. With millions of viewers across the globe, YouTube offers a unique platform to share your talents and create a profitable business. Whether you're a professional looking to monetize your expertise or a hobbyist who wants to turn a passion into a career, YouTube is the perfect platform for earning money. From monetizing videos and creating merchandise to setting up a donation system, YouTube provides a range of options to monetize your content. The key to success is to create content that appeals to your viewers and provides value. With a little creativity, passion, and commitment, you can make money from your YouTube channel and becoming a successful online entrepreneur. Earning money can be hard and time-consuming, but with YouTube it is possible to make a good income without too much effort. YouTube has become one of the most popular ways to make money online and is used by thousands of people around the world. With its easy-to-use platform and wide variety of content, YouTube offers a great opportunity to make money. Not only can you make money from your own videos, but you can also monetize other people's content and even create a passive income stream by partnering with other content creators. With the right strategy, YouTube can be an extremely lucrative business opportunity.